Hello, if you have this auto-rotate problem on your Redmi A7 Pro, let me show you a few tips how you can fix this. First of all, you have to remember that it is not working in every application. Like for example, if I try to rotate the settings, it's not gonna work because in this smartphone, settings are not supported with this landscape mode. You can, for example, rotate your phone by using a browser. So in this case, when I'm gonna open Google Chrome, hold phone like this and release, it's gonna rotate. The same for a YouTube application and also some other apps. But just keep in mind that not every application is supported. Let's check if it works for a gallery, for example. Yeah, gallery is also here. And first of all, if it doesn't work, you have to make sure that you just turn on that auto rotation, which looks like this. You can find this icon. When the blue icon is selected, it means that your lock screen orientation is locked. I mean, your screen orientation is locked. So we have to just turn it off. And if it is not working, or for example, you cannot find it here, you have to open the settings. Now go to the additional settings. And then you have to go for accessibility. Now go for physical. And here, try to do this also with this auto rotate screen switcher. If not working, you can try to restart your phone by holding the power button and the volume up button until the screen turns off. Let me know if it works for you.